Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. In them, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on. If the switcher is blue, click on Bluetooth itself. Then select Pair New Device under Device Name and tap on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case this one. Last but not least, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, just select this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!